In today's lesson, we will be exploring how to multiply across zeros.
So I'm sitting here with Axel, and Axel and I are loving the outdoors. Axel loves to run. The field that Axel ran in was 40 feet long. And believe it or not, Axel ran it 60 times. How many feet did Axel run all together? In the past, we've talked about how all together can be action words for addition, but also it's really important to visualize the problem because sometimes all together could be finding a product, multiplication. Axel ran a field 60 times and that field was 40 feet long. How might you solve that problem? Well, one way I can do it would be adding, but if I add, I'm gonna have to add 40, 60 times. This seems a little excessive to me, don't you think? So when I visualize that problem, I can multiply 40 times 60 equals what? Now you might be thinking, those are pretty big numbers, but we can break it down. One way I like to look at it is 40 is just 4 groups of 10, and 60 is 6 groups of 10. And if you have 10 groups of 10, that's 100. In 100, there are 2 zeros in the number. Notice there are 2 zeros in my equation. So I'm going to teach you a little trick. This strategy is called the wax on, wax off strategy. Wax on, wax off, wax on, wax off, wax on, wax off, wax on, wax off. This strategy is very helpful when it comes to multiplying across zeros. So when doing this strategy, the first thing you want to do is multiply what you already know. My math fact is 4 times 6. 4 times 6 is 24. The next step I'm going to do is wax off the 2 zeros in the equation. Wax off, wax off. And then I'm going to wax them on to my final product. I gotta put the right comma in place. Now, of course, you're probably not gonna be moving across zeros on a bulletin board like I did, but you can still represent the wax on, wax off strategy, wax off, wax on strategy by showing crossing off those zeros and waxing them onto our product. 40 times 60 is 2,400. And of course, you can use this trick in any equation that you're multiplying across zeros. For instance, 600 times 5,000. 6 times 5 is 30. And I'm gonna wax off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Wax them on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course, put my commas in the correct space. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. My answer, 3 million. I hope this strategy helped you with learning how to multiply across zeros. I'm gonna go finish running around with Axel. This is Miss Jewell. Catch you later.